what's up guys? Got the mother-in-law's car here. I'm going to show you how to polish up some headlights. They are really disgusting, as you can see, and this one is the same way. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. I also made another video to show you if you want to take them off and get them really nice what you can do. But today we're going to use Mother's plastics, and we're going to use a little buffer that I got from Harbor Freight a long time ago for like 10 bucks. And you should really tape this off so that you don't get wax everywhere. But this is my mother-in-law's car. It's been sitting for a year and it's got stuff growing all over it, so it's not going to stick anyway. We're going to wash it up for her and all that anyway. So let me show you what we got. So I want to plug my hose in, and then we're going to put this plastics all over the pad and spread it on the headlight. Alright guys, you ready for this? Now this is only one pass. Oh, look at that. Just trying to wipe the wax off the bumper so it's easier to clean up later. But there you are, boys. That was one pass. Now you can do that by hand. You don't need the buffer. Just takes a heck of a lot longer. Let me zoom out here and let me show you what it looks like. Look at that. The one I did, the one I didn't do yet. There you go guys, that's the finished product. I don't know how long that take me, 10 minutes, and that's because I had to let the air compressor build up again. So it makes a gigantic difference. She claims that she couldn't see at night and blah blah blah. So just clean your headlights guys. But I want to thank you guys for watching. We're getting near 2,000 subs, and I hope you liked it. Hit the like button, comment, let me know what you thought, and make sure you click the decal links down below. That really helps the channel. If you like any decals, we can custom make anything you like, and we'll see you on the next one guys. Thanks for watching.